You will never need a calculator to calculate the square of any two-digit number after watching this video. Trust me, it works like magic. Watch and learn. So to begin, we have 4 examples here. 21 square, 37 square, 63 square, 87 square. I will do all these calculations without calculator. Very simple. For the first one, we have 21 square. So how do we go about this? First things first, you square 2, which is the first number. To square 2 simply means to multiply 2 by itself. So 2 times 2 give you 4. Right? So the next thing to do is multiply these two numbers here by 2. So what I mean is, you take 2, multiply by 1, multiply by another 2. Alright? So 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Write your 4. The next thing is to square 1. 1 square simply means 1 times 1. And 1 square is what? 1. That's it. That's that. As simple as ABC. Okay? So that's how to solve these problems without calculator. I believe this is very efficient and quick. The next example here is 37 square. How do we work this out? We use the same pattern we used for the first one. So the first thing to do is square 3, right? 3 square will give us 3 times 3, which is what? 9. Right? So the next thing to do is multiply these two numbers and multiply it again by 2. So it goes like this: 3 times 7 times 2. And what's 3 times 7? 21. 21 times 2 is what? 42. So what do we write 42? No, you write 2 carry over 4. See that? So the next one to do is 7 square. And 7 square is what? 49. Do we write 49? No, you write what? 9 and carry 4 over. Wow. So after that, you begin to add all the numbers you carried over. 4 plus 9, it gives us what? 13. Of course, we can write 13. It's no problem if you have a 2-digit number starting, the sequence of numbers. So 4 plus 9 is 13. 4 plus 2, 6, and we have 9. So 37 square gives us 1,369. Very simple. Alright, so the next one we have is 63 square. So how do we square it? Using the same method. So the first thing to do is to square your 6. 6 square gives us what? 36. Write the 36. So the next thing to do is take your 6, multiply by 3, and multiply by what again? 2. Always multiply by 2. So 6 times 3 is what? 18. And 18 times 2 is what? 36. Do you write 36? No. You write 6 carry over 3. So the last thing to do is you square your 3. 3 times 3, which is 3 square, is 9. Alright, so you begin to add everything you carried over. So we have 36 plus 3, not just 6 plus 3. 36 plus 3 gives us what? 39. You have 6 and you have 9. So the square of 63 is 3,969. Very, very simple and straightforward. For the last example, we have 87 square. So how do we work this out? The same method. You square 8 first of all. 8 square gives us what? 64. So what's the next thing to do? You multiply 8 and 7. 8 times 7, and also multiply it by what? 2. Alright, so 8 times 7 is what? 56. And 56 times 2 is what? 112. Now I know you're asking, how do we write this problem? Don't panic. So you just write your 2, always write the last number, and then carry over 11. Alright, okay, so the next thing to do is 7 square, which is 49. So you write 9 and carry over 4. So it's time to add everything we carried over. So 1 plus 6, 7, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 2, 6, and 9. So that's it. So 87 square gives us 7,569. Very simple and efficient. You don't need a calculator henceforth to calculate the square of 2-digit numbers. Well, I hope this video was helpful. I'll be dropping some exercises that you can also attempt on your own using the same method I just showed you. I'll need you to comment in the comment section if this method worked and if you'll be using it more often. I'd also appreciate if you like the video, share it with your friends. I'll be dropping a link to my YouTube channel as well. Do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can receive updates for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.